Wise Owl and the Little Birds, the Value of Listening. In a peaceful forest, a wise old owl named Oliver lived high up in a big oak tree. Oliver was known for his wisdom and kindness, but the little birds in the forest often argued and didn't pay much attention to him. One day, dark clouds covered the sky, and a strong storm was coming. Oliver warned the little birds to find shelter to stay safe, but most of the birds ignored him and kept arguing. When the storm hit, the birds who listened to Oliver were safe and warm because they had found shelter. But the birds who didn't listen got wet and cold, and they wished they had listened to Oliver. The next day, as the storm passed, the birds realized how important it was to listen to Oliver. They saw that those who followed his advice were safe, while those who didn't were suffering. Soon after, a hungry hawk came to the forest, scaring all the small birds. The birds were scared and didn't know what to do, so they turned to Oliver again. Oliver told them to work together to drive the hawk away. The birds followed Oliver's advice. They joined forces and came up with a smart plan. Together they managed to chase the hawk away and protect themselves. From then on, the little birds always listened to Oliver. They learned that paying attention to wise advice and working together could help them overcome big problems. Moral of the story: listening to wise advice and working together can help us stay safe and solve problems. Thank you for watching. If you like this story, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun stories and important lessons. And remember, always listen to wise advice and work together.